Today we're going to do a crash course on using some of the most common forms of the count and sum functions in Microsoft Excel. So right here we have 11 rows of data, not 12 because we're not counting the column names. And some columns are missing data, but we'll typically reference all rows of data for consistency here. So let's start with counting rows of data that we have. We're going to use the COUNTA function on our ID field since each ID represents a new row of data. Now we're going to use the COUNTBLANK function to see how many rows out of our 11 have missing gender data. Now here we're just doing a simple count of rows that have age data. Now let's do some COUNTIFs. We're going to count how many out of our 11 are males. Now we're going to look at columns B and D for males that served in the military. And make sure you put words or strings in quotes like I did. Now this gets a little trickier. Let's do a COUNTIFs for males that served in the military over the age of 50. This can be tough, but it gets easier the more that you do it. Now let's also not forget females, same thing. We'll do a COUNTIF for them here, same range. Similarly, let's look at females that served in the military, same idea as before. And we'll also look for females with an equal to or greater than salary of $50,000. All right, let's go ahead and move on to summing. And that works a little bit differently than COUNTIF with criteria, but many of the aspects are the same. So let's just do a simple sum of our salary. Now let's look at salary for males. Notice how we reference the gender column first, then sum the salary in column C. Now this one could be tricky, but we're getting salaries for males that served in the military. But this time we reference the salary first in C2 to C12. We have the salary for females here, pretty straightforward. And then we take it a step further and get the salaries for females that make less than $100,000. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And in the meantime, I'll catch you all later. Take care.